Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you about how to manage the disks in your system. So right now I have 4 disks which are allocated, which has been splitted my whole memory of my system. That is, I have total of 1000 GB of memory, that is 1 TB. So the 1 TB is allocated like this. It's about 600, 100, 100 and 100. So I'll show you now how to split these devices as per your necessary needs. So first of all, you have to open run command, that is Windows plus R, and here you have to type disk mgmt.msc. Once you click this, you will be getting this window, or else you can go for search and search for disk management. So here you'll be getting create and format hard disk partitions. Once you open it, you can see here the OS. This is my Y drive, B drive, E drive. So I'm gonna split any one of these to 50 GB, as I need a separate 50 GB for my personal use. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna click this and I'm gonna click here shrink volume. So you can see here the total size is 100 GB and size which can I have is 99,246 MB. So here we can know that 100 MB is equal to 1 GB. So to make 50 GB partition, I'm going to use calculator, or you can generally type it. For using that, just go into a browser, type disk allocation calculator. You will get multiple allocation calculator, where I have used one of those, that is Windows disk partition calculator. So here if you open it, you can enter the partition which you want to allocate in size of GB. So I want to 50 GB allocation, NTFC or FAT32, any file system. If you click on calculate, it will calculate and give, that is 51,240. Okay, just copy this and paste it here, then tell it to shrink. So there is a new volume which is separated from Y drive, but it is unallocated. So we have to allocate the data so that you can see it visibly. See, right now I don't see any another drive which I have done partition, but here before it was 100 GB, now it is 50 GB. So if you go here, new sample space, so here you give next, and the total amount of space is taken, minimum disk in MB. Okay, next, whatever the name you can give here. Right now I'm going to give D. Then next, this is the file system exFAT and NTFS. You can choose whichever is convenient. I'll make sure to put a video on file system which is NTFS, exFAT, FAT32. Please go and watch in the upcoming videos. So next, just verify the things, is it correct, finish. Now you can see there is a D drive which is new volume of 50 GB. Now if we check here, you can get the new volume, it is of 50 GB. Okay, this is about the video for allocating any amount of GB from one drive. Thank you for watching.